To my channel. This channel and Rameshwar's Korean Mutual Finance. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you. Today I'm going to learn about EMA and what kind of EMA I use in the during trading in stock market. The first EMA is a cross EMA. In this, I how to get the cross EMA. First, you have to go in indicators, then type EMA, and then you have to get cross. Okay. While getting the cross, as you know, I already have that EMA, so it's many items. So I cut one of them. This will be that is open. This is upside. So as we can see, when the candlestick goes down, this under a yellow line, the market goes down, and when it comes up, the market goes up. Along with the EMA, we have to use our support and resistance also. So we can find each and every move correctly. These are the very small ways to find the moves of the market. Okay, thank you.